Hey there everyone, this is Jessica from Domesticated Me and welcome back to Fit Fridays. Today I have another unboxing for you. I am so excited for this one. Just check out this box. Isn't it beautiful? I am obsessed with green and pink palm prints, floral prints, so I am really digging this box. So this is the Fab Fit Fun box for the summer and is in support of the Global Gift Foundation Girls in Action Alliance with Eva Longoria, with the Eva Longoria Foundation. I love Eva Longoria. I mean, I don't know if you've noticed, but I'm Latina. So we tend to support other Latinas, so I love that. I love that Fab Fit Fun always has like a philanthropic component to it. A lot of the brands that they feature are women owned and women of color owned, which I also really appreciate. So I'm really excited to dig in. And here is the interior of the box. It's so pretty. It's kind of like the inverse of the outside where pink is the main color, and then we have some of the green palms, white florals. Love that. Here is the Fab Fit Fun magazine that is included with the box. Here it says Summer 2019, and here is our cover girl, Eva Longoria. She says, it says exclusive Eva Longoria, who she calls her superhero. Articles include the Fabbies honoring 200 #boss ladies. The doctor is in, experts answer your burning beauty questions, and then beauty glossary, the key ingredients you should know. So really good articles in there. I, as someone who's obsessed with beauty and skincare, really excited to check out those articles. There are several perks to having a FabFitFun subscription. Some of that include discovering new products. You can now customize your boxes. You can now have the box reflect your personal style by selecting pieces that match your lifestyle. And of course, you probably all know by now that the subscription is $49.99 per season, but you get more than $200 of products in each and every box. But when you use my code Domesticated10, you will get $10 off that first box. So you will be paying $39.99 for over $200 worth of product. That is a major bang for your buck. In addition to the box, members also have access to members-only flash sales and exclusive on-demand videos from FabFitFun TV. This includes content from experts like Venus Williams, Giada De Laurentiis, Julian Michaels, and many more. And of course, all of that is included with your FabFitFun membership. I also really enjoy the magazine for its content. It has really great interviews and also very informative articles. And in addition to all that, you also get detailed information about the products included in your box and how you can use them. All right, so let's get to the good stuff. Ooh, I am seeing some products that I recognize right away. I'm just gonna grab the first thing that really stands out to me, and that's this right here. This is from Sol de Janeiro. This is their Brazilian Foreplay Moisturizing Shower Cream Gel. This is in my bathroom right now, and it is so good. It smells, this one isn't open, but it smells so good. I love all of their scents. They're very coconutty and beachy, and just it gets me really excited for the summer and to like hit the beaches, hit the pool. That's what you smell as soon as you open this, is you just smell beach and summer fun. It says right here, in Brazil, showering is more of a treat than a routine. Brazilian Foreplay Moisturizing Shower Cream Gel leaves skin super soft, irresistibly smooth, and always ready for play. I've been using this for weeks, and I can tell you that it does absolutely moisturize your skin. My legs tend to get super dry, and this has really helped me out. I've definitely noticed a difference, so I can attest to this. It works. And again, it smells so good. The next product is also by Sol de Janeiro, and it is their famous cult classic, probably their best-selling product, and that is their Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. I doubt that you guys don't know about this, but I'm gonna explain it to you just like if you didn't. This is the fast absorbing body cream. It helps tighten and smooth like no other. This I buy right before it gets to beach summer, so it's actually perfect timing. I need to start using this right now. But it, like it says, it kind of tightens and smooths your little bumpy areas. I didn't use it last year because, well, I was just not taking care of me last year. We've talked talked about that. But that is going to change this year. I am taking care of myself. I'm taking care of my health and my skin, and I'm being proactive about living my best, healthiest life, a Fab Fit Fun life, if you will. So yes, I'm gonna start using this right away. Just go online, check out reviews, but I know that you've probably seen this or heard of it because people rave about it because they love it, and it's a classic for a reason. The next product is by Generation Clay. It is their Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. Ooh. Let's see what it says about this. It refines, it brightens, it illuminates, and it's natural. Very good. It says apply an even layer to clean, dry skin. Wait approximately 10 minutes or until the mask starts to tighten. Use water to gently rinse off your mask in circular motions. Then lightly pat your skin dry. Okay, hey. Then we have this by Whish. It is an exfoliating foot mask which smooths and softens and offers intense hydration. Yes. FabFitFun does a great job at really curating the pieces for the season. This is totally getting me ready for the summer, and having nice moisturized exfoliated feet is definitely key. In the summer, we're gonna be wearing sandals, we're gonna be walking around on the beach all the time. You wanna make sure your feet are looking good, and this is gonna help you do that. The next product is by Ico London, and it is their Eye Duo Liquid Liner. It says line and enhance. Very interesting. The nib is the perfect shape and size to give you control. It gives you the precision to draw on the perfect cat eye. That is a quote by Alexa Chung. It says delivers intense single stroke color with a precision tip designed to accentuate eyes with a water resistant finish. And it says it features wide lash and conditioning tripeptide complex designed to enhance the appearance of eyelashes with up to 3 times more length and volume in 15 days. That's cool. Here we have a Dr. Rogers Restore Healing Balm. Safe, smart, selective, sustainable. Interesting. Here are the uses that it lists. It says for chapped lips, for cuts and burns, severe dry and sensitive skin, post-procedure skin care, beauty hacks, and baby ointment. Now, that is the most multi-use thing I've ever heard of. Cool. The next product is by Invisibobble, the Traceless Hair Ring. These are the original. They are 3 in the crystal clear and then 3 in the to be or nude to be, which is a nude color. Very cute. The next product is by Grace and Stella, and it's their Rose Spray. Spray All Day Rose Spray, which is a hydrating rose facial spray. The next item is by 111 Skin, Harley Street, London, and it is their Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask. Interesting. It says here it diminishes the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. 24 karat gold enhances skin radiance to brighten an even skin tone, reinforces and protects skin barrier function, rejuvenates and nourishes lackluster skin. This is actually a little hard to see when I bring it close to the camera, so this is the best that I can do, but pretty cool. The last thing came in this little plastic bag, and it's from Jennifer Zuner Jewelry. I'm sorry if I'm not pronouncing that correctly. Let's see. Ooh, so pretty. Oh, I love this. It's like a faux layered 2-chain necklace, and it has little stars on it. So cute. And by the way, you can adjust the size to it, which I really like because you can wear it close to your neck for a choker look, or you can make it a little longer and do something layered like what I'm about to do. And there it is. It's so pretty. Oh, I really like that. And that was everything that was included in my FabFitFun box. I really encourage you to check it out because, again, you're paying $49.99 for this box, but you're getting over $200 worth of products. And you're also supporting incredible philanthropic organizations that they partner with, which I think is great. And you're also discovering new beauty brands. You're often discovering women-owned beauty brands or women of color-owned beauty brands, which I think is really, really great. And if you sign up using my code Domesticated10, you get $10 off your first box. So there you go. You're now going to be paying $39.99 for over $200 worth of stuff. So definitely encourage you to check them out. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have friends or family members who you think should know about this box, then please share it with them. As always, use that comment section below to ask any questions, make any requests, or just say hi. You guys know that I love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and click that little bell icon so that you can set your notifications on for always, and that way you will get an email every time I make a new video. I make new videos every single week, and I cover beauty, fashion, health, DIY projects, travel, you name it, I cover it all. Click or tap right here to watch my last video, or click down below to watch another video that you might enjoy. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned.